Please tell us something about Graco and what are the core values of Graco?
Graco is basically 98-year-old company, and we are into fluid handling solutions. Graco provides solutions for all type of industrial fluids like paints, coatings, sealants, adhesive, oil and grease. So we have been there in market, and it's a global company. It's US MNC, and we have headquarters in Minneapolis. In India, we have our own technical center and corporate office in Gurgaon, where we have Greco several solutions for giving training, doing trials, demos. So we have been actively educating customers about the different processes and helping them to prove out their process and then qualify the equipment before they buy. So Greco has been there in India over more than 25 years. We have a big team across India. A Greco team is available across major cities, and in addition, we have a big fleet of distributors in all the major cities available to be in touch with customers on day-to-day basis and provide the support on Greco products and solutions.
Can you tell us about your business model?
So Greco business model is through distributors globally, and the primary reason is that our product goes in across industries. So we want to be very nearest to the customers, so that our distributors are there more closer to the customers, so that they can provide support. They can be there whenever the customer need it, so that we have a distributor. But Greco distributors are specialized. They are not just traders. They have a responsibility of providing after sales service. They keep the stock of parts so that they can provide the prompt support to the customer and then keep their line running.
Who is your target customer?
So our target customer is across all the industries. So Greco product goes primarily if I start with automotive, tier 1 suppliers for automotive, electronics, solar industries, wind energy, pipe coatings. It goes to construction, infrastructure, railways, you name it. We have applications of Greco product across all the industries.
Can you tell us about the major trends in automotive industry?
So automotive industry is going on a major shift of changing the energy, means reduce the energy consumption on day-to-day basis. So there is a big drive going from pneumatic to electrical driven systems. So Greco has recently launched our electrical driven pumps for paints, sealants and coatings. So that is where the trend is. They are moving towards electrification of their energy, so that they consume less energy in day-to-day production and save the carbon footprint.
What are the major changes you have seen in automotive industry in terms of electrification?
So major changes is the way they are talking about like the automation. So they are with the electrification, the automation becomes easier because you can track all the data like the pressures and other process parameters, and you can analyze the quality and you can maintain that. So in the lean period where you don't have much of production, you can reduce the pressures, you can reduce the energy consumption. So you are avoiding the unproductive energy and you're reducing the consumption. So that is how they're doing it. On the other side, with the automation, the electrification of pump also helps to communicate better with the automation like the robots and other things, which is Industry 4.0 is going on. So this is how is driving that they can all transfer the data from our Greco products to their centralized server for effective communication of consumption of the paint, sealants and coatings, so they can optimize the consumption in the process, so that wastage of materials is also can be reduced, provide keeping the same quality.
Please tell us something about the kind of innovations and R&D you have been doing.
So Greco is leading the way. So basically, Greco is over 4% plus revenue is goes to the R&D. So Greco leads the way. They keep on launching new products now and then. They keep launching, advancing the product and technology. And in the industry segment where Greco operates, Greco invest maximum amount, which is 4% plus, into the research and development of bringing out the new products, new technology, so that they can help the customer in advance. So they're tracking the future, and they're already developing the solutions which will be required in future with the changing in the technology.
What are the latest innovation Graco have been working on?
Yeah, so Greco latest solution is the automation. So these solutions, what we launched recently in our Productronica Expo, this is about the automation. So far Greco has been selling the pumps and products, and automation is done by the third parties. But now, like electronics, this is buzzing bird. Like a lot of investment is happening into electronic industries, whether it's the automotive electronic, whether it's the consumer electronics. Electronic is covering everything. Okay, like now we are talking about the semiconductor also. So electronic is covering everybody's life. We are talking about we're using the mobile phones, smart cars. We are using the electric mobility vehicles. We are using. So electronics is touching everybody's life in day to day. So that is where the end users or the manufacturers require the highly sophisticated equipment which are accurate and proven. So Graco has took the responsibility of giving the total solutions. So this solution, which is Graco Smart Dispensing Solutions, we are giving the complete automation and then proven process and then high quality accurate dispensing systems which can be used for variety of applications of the sealant and adhesive dispensing into electronic industry. So this is the new product which we are launching to give the total solutions of dispensing to the customers.
What make Graco different from other companies?
So Graco core strength is the dispensing. Okay, so Graco is masters is developing that dispensing technology. Okay, so our core product is around accuracies and repeatability. So Graco, this product is a great amalgamation of the Graco core technology of dispensing plus the automation and also the software. So we have developed the software keeping the dispensing in the core. It's not like any other PLC program. So we have designed this software easy for an operator to program the different patterns, different profiles. You can see here, so they can easily do it, and it's a window based, so anybody can operate it, and they can modify the software, easy drag and drop. Features are available. It's a high payload machines, which is almost 30 kg payload. So you can directly mount the dispensing system on the carriage so that you can have an accuracy of 1% and repeatability.
How important is the sustainability for Graco? What steps are you taking to achieving it?
So sustainability comes when your process are more repeatable, more accurate, so you can count on that. So Graco firmly believe in that. Graco firmly believe in reducing the wastages of the sealant adhesive, which is goes to the chemical wastage. So we have to reduce. Okay, so that's why Graco accurate system ensure that you are not dispensing more, so that you are not wasting the chemicals, and also your process are repeatable, so that your production rates, your profit margins, and your commitment to your end customers can be consistent enough. So it becomes a sustainable business model for our customers also, and that is how we are helping them.
Which product category and customer segment does Graco cater to?
So Greco works in all the industries as we talk about like automotive, electronic, construction, infrastructure. So Greco product almost everywhere, even the coal mines. So our product are used everywhere because you need the fluids like the oil and grease almost in every process plant, and that is how you need the painting solutions in most of the industries. And then sealant adhesive cover the other side of industries like electronics, solar, automotive feeders. So Greco product goes everywhere. So we almost cover almost every industry in the manufacturing arena.
What are your thoughts on electronic component market's growth in India?
Yeah, so Indian electronic manufacturing is growing leaps and bounds. All the major multinationals are investing in India now. You can see like Jabil, Foxconn, Flex, Pegatron, Winstone, all the big EMS companies are investing heavily in India. In addition to our own Indian companies are also investing, they are ramping up the productions. We see that 5G manufacturing is also ramping up the equipment with the various companies like Nokia, Jabil, Tejas. They're all ramping up the 5G production, equipment production also. So we see even in the automotive electronics, we see our cars are getting more smarter. We see that the more sensor for tire pressure, for airbag, and many other components we are tracking the process. So all those are tracked by the different sensors. So the cars are getting more smarter. You can see that the windshield is happening. You can see the sunroof. Almost every car now have a sunroof. Airbags, number of airbags is increasing. So all these products require some kind of a sealant and adhesive to ensure they perform to the expectations. So we see the consumption is increasing, and the application and requirement of high level of accurate system is increasing. And we are very bullish about Indian market in considering all these parameters.
Do you sell your products directly or through your distributors?
So Graco works primarily through distributors. We work with end customers in helping them to identify the right product, understand their processes, how we can avoid the wastages, how we can reduce their downtime. So we work technically in consultation with end customers. Finally, the commercial transactions happens through our distributors. But we Graco team is very deeply involved with end customers in helping them to find the right solutions.
Are you planning to expand your partner network?
Yeah, sure. As the Greco continuously explore new markets, new geography, so we need to invest and find the right partners. India is vast country, so you need more partners to reach every nook and corner of the geography. So we keep on looking and strengthening our distribution network based on the specialization of the market from where that distributor can be.
What are some major challenges in electronic industry?
So major challenges in the electronic industry is finding the right partner who can provide the right solutions for their processes so they can count on it. So Greco works fill that gap and Greco provide those solutions and they can count on them.
What initiatives are being taken by Graco to achieve its goals?
So Greco is doing by the investing into the technology. So that's why Greco has invested upfront in the technical center. So Greco has a technical center which provides different value to the end customers and also our channel partners. So first thing we do a lot of training for our end customers also, like hands-on training, so that they become more comfortable with the equipment they buy and they can maintain those equipment. They know how to troubleshoot. They know how to check the parameters and how to do the preventive maintenance. On the other side, we also do a lot of trials and demo for our customer because many times they're also new to their processes. They are evaluating different materials which can be suitable for their product. We help them to qualify that. So they bring the materials, their part, we do the demo, we do the trial, and they qualify the product processes and they ultimately decide what works best for their application. So in the various ways. On the other side, in the site base, like our distributors, Greco team is heavily involved. That solution they procure is properly installed and their team is totally trained so that they have a machine up and running 24 by 7.
With a wide variety of machines, how does Graco ensure quality and exhibit the product?
So Greco products are manufactured in US and our products are designed after rigorous testing, rigorous R&D. So we don't launch a product just it comes out of the oven. We just do a lot of testing with the actual materials for which it is designed. So we pump a lot of gallons of material, 100,000 of gallons of materials before we launch, so that we check every solution we launch. It is rugged, it is works best with that material it is intended to. So then we launch the product in the market. Once we are confident that this product will work fine and will deliver the required amount of accuracy and repeatability for the required processes, then only we launch the product into the market. After that, we do a lot of training to our channel partners so that they do good job, they understand the product, and they can install, they can do the service of those products to the end customers.
How do you choose your channel partners?
So our channel partner selection is very process lengthy, which is we do first we identify the market for which we need a channel. It can be like the target market like electronics. It can be a certain geography like we want a certain distributor in Gujarat, for example, or certain distributor in Maharashtra. So it's a mix of both. And then we in the market we search who are the potential companies operate in that zone. We meet them, have a couple of meetings around like okay what they do and what Greco does. So a lot of information sharing goes on, and when the thing goes in a direction of mutual understanding, then we discuss the terms of the distribution, what is the responsibility, how Greco will support them, how we work together in a period of 1 to 2 years so that they become independent after that in terms of how to talk about what product, sales, service, stocking, everything. So we ensure the distributor is fully capable of sell, stock and service.
Are there any challenges when it comes to designing the products?
As such, Greco products are designed in US, okay, and manufactured there. We see a lot of our competitors do a lot of makeshift arrangement here in India, which just because of price they do all those jugaad arrangements, which does not give the right accuracy and repeatability. And end of the day, customer feel the pinch after a certain period of time that they should have gone to the much higher repeatable and accurate and reliable system than just chasing the pricing.
How can a customers recognize your product as it is a very technical product?
That is where the job of Graco team and distribution comes in the picture. So we work with the customers, we understand their pain areas, okay, what are the challenges they're having in the current processes, and we provided, okay, this solution will work them, and this will solve their problems, this will remove their challenges, and that is how the communication started. We talk about the solutions, not just the product. So once they understand, okay, this solution will work, they can also come down to Greco Technical Center to evaluate that, have a look at the product, and then we also have a large data bank of customers globally who are using these products for different processes. That will also build them the confidence that yes, Greco will do it.
Are there any new product or equipment you are planning to launch in coming months?
Yeah, so see, Greco keep on working on new products, new technology. So every quarter we have some new product coming for the keeping up to the space. So we keep on launching almost product couple of times in a year, new products.
What is the relation between Graco and Equimax?
So Equirex is our channel partner, okay, for electronic industry. So Greco has a distribution based on the strength of a distributor. Like our distributor Equirex is having a very vast experience into the electronic industry. They are also selling complementing products which goes into same market. They have a good relationship with the end customers, all the EMS companies, consumer electronics. So they fill in the right gap for Greco, and they will take us open the doors of new opportunity for Greco to introduce Greco product into the electronic market.
Is Equimax providing services to other companies as well?
Yes, so they are channel partners for other companies also. Like the Micronics is one of their channel principal, which also sell a lot of product which goes into electronics manufacturing, like SMT lines product. So Greco product also goes into electronics manufacturing, and that is why we find is the synergy between Accurex and Greco. That is how today in this expo we are showcasing our this Greco Smart Dispensing Solutions at the Accurex stall, so that we can show this capability of Greco solutions to the potential customers.
Can you tell us about your last fiscal growth and what are you expecting in the upcoming year?
So we are growing double-digit growth almost every year in India, and we see the same growth trajectory to hit every year. So same goes this year also. We are having high double-digit growth this year as well, and we will continue to that as we are heavily engaged in the market to track the potential and converting into the business.
Have you read the EFI magazine?
Yeah, EFI is I've been reading from my childhood in the college engineering days. EFI has been there. I think in our college library also we find the EFI. I think that was the only magazine in electronics. It was there. So I've seen that EFI from the beginning, from engineering days, and till now it is going great. And that is why we see that EFI can be a good um, carrier also for communicating the Greco message to the end customers, that what Greco can do for them. So we find it is a good way to go about.